Hi, my name is Karen Reina. I am 27 years old. I live in Bogota. I am studying industrial engineering. My favorite TV show is Friends and Dark. Today I am staying with my nephew. He is Ian. He is 5 years old. He is adorable. He is a child, happy child. This is my puppy. My puppy is chubby and fluffy, and my puppy, his name is Martin. He is a tiny dog. They are my husband and my child. My husband is William. He is 37 years old. He is a businessman. He lives in Bogota with us. He is slim, tall. Her hair is black, and he has glasses. My child is 5. He is a student. He is studying right now. He's at school. He is a child so happy, happy child, a cheerful, and a child very kind. And this photo stay with us, my child and me. This is my family. Thank you.